I hope you can hear me now. It was so silent. The last video. Okay, now I'm Manjushri, the god of wisdom. And I can tell you how you look good, or why I look so ugly right now. It's hard to explain, but I'll give it a try. It's more simple than you think. I have to get the spoiler alert. It's being a president makes you look like a president, act like a president. Being a warrior makes you look like a warrior and act like one. That's it.